We lost everything. We lost our work, lost our house.
In one moment, all of your plans can be crushed.
More people are now displaced than ever before. People from all professions and walks of life are risking life and limb to escape and find a safe home in different countries. They're restarting life again from scratch.
We are here not because we want to be. We are here because we didn't have any choice.
At IKEA, we are committed to increasing our efforts by supporting an additional 3,000 refugees by the end of 2027.
Our new pledge is not just a corporate initiative, it's a collective promise to leverage our resources, creativity, and influence to uplift those who seek refuge and rebuild their lives.
Through our refugee inclusion approach, we aim to foster inclusion and enhance employability in the hope of inspiring others. Because together we can change the narrative for the better. We're better together.